The first data type is integer. For example, if you type a equal to some 10, it is integer. Now, the second data type is float, something dot something, 10.35. This is float. And the third data type is complex number, which means plus 6j. You can use capital J or small j. It is considered as complex number. The third data type is Boolean. Boolean checks only true or false, whether it's yes or no, true or false. Now A is Boolean. Same way you can make it as a string also. String means the normal sentences or any English words or any unique code you can mention in A. Python do support Unicode, which means we can use our Indian languages to write and read. Not only Indian languages, it do support world languages too. Let us see. Taking a variable A and some strings I have posted which is there in Unicode. And let's print A. Here you can notice it is reading. A is being assigned with all these languages and A is printed successfully. If you wish to add multiple lines to the same variable, you can add backward slash and you can have multiple lines too, like this. Don't get confused for forward slash and backward slash. This is backward slash and we are getting same output.